Hey there, thanks for clicking. It is Monday, December 15th, and today we're taking you inside Saturday's school choice fair, plus when you can catch the next one. We've also got a conversation with Briargrove Elementary's principal for this week's campus close-up, holiday cheer from Emancipation Park, and a look at how our culinary students turned teamwork into thousands of meals for the community. And of course, an update on the boys' basketball tournament. Let's get into it. So parents and families, like we've been reporting, school choice opened up last week. That means you have from now until February 27 to submit your application to the top 10 schools of your choice. You can also make any edits during this time. Now this past weekend, parents and students were out at the Mickey Leland for our school choice fair. All of our schools had tables set up where families could learn more about each campus and their select programs. Help was also available to any families or parents who needed assistance with the application process.
We have family sessions. We have representatives from different departments here at HISD, from multilingual to special education, early childhood, really here to help support families. We also provide on-site support for families. So if you have questions about the application or want help submitting or editing your application, we have an application lab for you.
If you weren't able to make it out this weekend, mark your calendar. You've got some time to plan for our next school choice fair. It's happening Saturday, January 10th at Sharpstown High School from 9 a.m. until noon. And of course, for more information on school choice, go to our website, schoolchoice.houstonisd.org. This week, we're spotlighting Briargrove Elementary, home of the Roadrunners for Campus Close-Up. A proud part of the Houston community since 1958, this school blends deep tradition with forward-thinking learning, offering IB, GT, and much more. Briargrove is a vibrant, globally minded school that's helping students thrive today and well into their futures.
Nestled in the Briargrove community.
Now, I caught up with Principal Jones for a quick Q&A about her school, everything from what makes Briargrove such a special campus to what it means for her school to be an IB school, including the types of experiences that this opens up for her students. Our full conversation is posted on the channel and on Facebook and Instagram. HISD helped spread some holiday cheer this past weekend at the HEB Presents Holiday in the Tray at Emancipation Park. In partnership with our Sunrise Centers and other community partners, families enjoyed toys, treats, and festive fun, including performances by some of our very own talented students. Our Sunrise team was also on hand sharing hygiene kits, snack packs, and much more, and other helpful resources, making it a joyful and meaningful weekend for our community.
With the Sunrise Centers, we're always looking to be in community so that we can serve people where they live. And so we really were excited about being able to come and partner with the Emancipation Park Conservancy, the Houston Parks and Recreation Department. And so our West Orem Sunrise Center has really taken the lead at this event. And we're just excited to be out with community today.
So we're super excited to be able to see all of our talent that our schools and our children have to showcase. But also we're here in the community giving out resources, letting them know about the things that the district is doing, our Sunrise Centers, but also they get to go home with some toys.
On your mark, get set, go!
And take a look at this. Students at the Barbara Jordan Career Center put their culinary skills to work for a great cause. Teaming up with Lyndon B. Johnson Hospital, these culinary students helped make thousands of sandwich boxes for the community. Now, it was a hands-on day of teamwork, learning, and service, turning a friendly competition into 3,000 meals for families in need.
We're having a collaboration with our culinary students and LBJ for their 12 Days of Christmas, doing a sandwich competition where they're packing boxes, and our students are going to be judging and keeping track of time and some tracking points if they get something incorrect. But it's going to a good cause. They have local community organizations that they donate their sandwich packs to, and it's just a great way for us to be with the community and work with the community as they do their 12 Days of Christmas, and we look to have opportunities for our students beyond high school.
Honestly, the culinary part here is honestly fun. We do a lot of stuff, but as seniors, we do a lot of paperwork also because we're trying to build our resume for going to college. A lot of us are planning to go to Culinary Lenox, maybe other schools that have good culinary, U of H. I'm very excited actually. This is something new. I love surrounding myself with new people, and this is something that will get my name out there. So I plan on starting a bakery once I get out of here, and also a farm.
Moving on to sports, the boys basketball tournament held here at HISD was nothing short of spectacular. Now every team showed up ready to show off what they can do this season. In the Platinum Division, Heights High School took the top spot, Wheatley came in second, and Westside High School took third place. The consolation championship went to St. Francis. Madison High School took the top spot in the Gold Division, and Yates ended up in the second spot. And in third place was Willis High School. The consolation championship went to Waltrip. In the Silver Division, it was Furr High School at the top, followed by Milby in second and Worthing in third. The consolation champion was Santa Gertrudis Academy. And finally, Houston MSTC ended up leading the Bronze Division, followed by Chavez High School in second. And in third, it was Wisdom. Sharpstown took the top spot in the consolation championship. Well, that does it for us today on HISD Now. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps out our channel. We'll see you right back here tomorrow.